For today's Data Science Bite, let's define what the field of statistics is. The dictionary definition is, a statistic is a numeric summary of a sample, such as the mean, count, or variance. Now, let's define our terms. What is a sample, and what is a population, and what is a summary? A population is a set of items with repetition that we're interested in. In this case, we have these white disks, which are events that don't make us money, and these diamonds, which are events that make us money. The idea is this sack that we cannot see through is future events, and we want to know, do we want to buy this sack? Does it have a lot of events we like, a lot of diamonds, or not? To do that, we draw a visible sample from the population. Here, I am drawing the sample in what you might consider a biased way. Notice how I am always drawing a diamond by feeling around or looking into the sack. The idea is a sample that is biased is not a convincing representation of the population. We have no idea if we're measuring the population when we do our sample or the sampling procedure. Instead, we like the samples to be very well stirred, and we want them to be randomly chosen. Samples are visible, which I'm representing with a clear cup, and even a random sample can be non-representative with some chance, especially if it's a very small sample, as we just saw here. A convincing random sample, which represents the population it's drawn from, is typically drawn at random and is large. This gets rid of both issues of bias and variance. Hopefully, any decisions we make on this sample turn out to be correct decisions regarding the population, whether we want to buy more from the bag. And that's it. That's all of the field of statistics in 2 minutes. Thank you for your time on this Data Science Bite.